In the last section, we look at a regulated monopoly. Natural monopolies are subject to price regulation. Some examples are natural gas, cable services, and wireless communication. The trend is to deregulate when competition is feasible. We will look at a socially optimal price and a fair return price in the next slide. In this slide, we have the demand and cost conditions of a natural monopoly. Natural monopoly means the average total cost is declining. QM is the monopolist output. We get QM at the intersection of marginal cost and marginal revenue. We go all the way to the demand curve and we get the monopoly price. Over here, the price is greater than average total cost and profit is greater than 0. Definitely, price is also greater than marginal cost of production. Then we look at a fair return price. The characteristic is price is equal to average total cost. The monopolist breaks even and profit is equal to 0. And after that, we look at a socially optimal price. The price is equal to marginal cost and the profit is less than 0. So if you compare the prices here, the monopolist price is the highest and that is followed by the fair return price and that is followed by a socially optimal price as given by PR. Now if you flip it and try to look at the quantities, the socially optimal quantity is maximum. This is greater than the fair return quantity, which is QF, and that is greater than the monopolist quantity. All right, that's it for now. Thank you very much.